जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे
Namaskar, Srijan Guru Keluchana Mahapatra Odissi Nrityabhasa welcomes all of you to the celebration of 150th episode of Anuvartanam. We are very happy and honored to have Guru Srimati Jhelam Paranjape with us today for this wonderful celebration. Guru Srimati Jhelam Paranjape is one of the senior-most disciples of Guru Keluchana Mahapatra. It won't be an exaggeration to say she talks, walks, sleeps, dreams and breathes Odissi. She has dedicated herself to the pursuit of Odissi dance since 1977. She started her training with Guru Sri Shankar Behera and then under Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra from 1980 to 2004 till the day Guruji passed away. She has been awarded with the Sanjukta Panigrahi National Award, Mahari Samman and many other such prestigious and recognitions for her contribution towards the spread of Odissi dance. Currently, she runs her own institute, Smitalay, that she named after her friend, the renowned actress Smita Patil, where she grooms dancers, some of who have carved a niche for themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, we present Guru Srimati Jhelam Paranjape in Anuvartanam, celebrating its 150th episode. Pranam Jhelamappa, thank you very much. I, on behalf of Srijan family, would like to thank you for joining us in this 150th episode of Anuvartanam. And we are very happy to have you here. I am sure your presence will inspire many other dancers to achieve their goals in the field of Odissi dance. Since last 1.5 years, we are doing this, and I'm sure you'll be watching these episodes of Anuvartanam in the past. So before we start your performance, I would like to request you to share your thoughts for Anuvartanam.
Shivu, instead of you thanking me, I should thank you. Because, what should I say? Am I humbled? Am I elated? I am happy that I am part of this, and especially its 150th episode. And you asked me what I think about Anuvartanam. Anuvartanam, in tune with the times. It's such a perfect name, absolute perfect name. Because in the pandemic, when you started it, I think in June 2020,
right?
People were all locked up in their own homes. Especially, I know in Mumbai, we were not allowed to step out at all. And then we had this to look forward to every Saturday, Sunday, a beautiful performance of Odissi. So, and I know you well. Any little germ or kida that comes into your mind, you let it, little bit in your brain, and then it comes out. Your productions or whatever new idea that you get, you focus on it completely till it comes to fruition. And this is a wonderful thing that you're doing.
No, because the legacy we are all going through, or we are trying to do something for the legacy Guruji has left behind. The only motto and only aim of that legacy is perfection. As we all know that whatever Guruji has done or achieved, always he wanted perfection. Because we are his disciples, so we cannot go out of the track. And this pandemic has given multiple avenues to me especially. I'm sure it must have given to you, to many other teachers and dancers, to teach online.
Oh yes.
Each day when I teach online, every day it's an opening avenue for me to know, to learn how to teach. And also when we started Anuvartanam in June 2020, we thought because there is no performances, let the Srujan dancers perform solo. But then I thought, why Srujan dancers? Why not all dancers who are not getting an opportunity? And this is a huge platform. And when a flick of the finger, you reach 1,000 audience at a time globally. So, and all these during the journey from first episode to 150th episode, it was a great learning experience, great journey, and we have seen very, very good dances. And I'm very happy, Jhalamappa, really, truly, it is very touching for me that you are here for 150th episode. I'm sure your presence would inspire many, many dancers.
Here I'd like to say something.
Sure.
You said that you can reach so many more. See, Guruji, when he taught, also his mind was always open. Like, I want to reach out my dance to as many people as I can. So Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, he used to have these workshops. He was like a madman wanting to,
spread his art,
spread
yes.
Odissi. And you are doing this, the same thing in a different way.
Yeah, because
of technology.
his time was different because he was traveling physically. And because of this pandemic,
Yes.
it has forced us to do something sitting.
You've taken good advantage of the pandemic.
No, I humbly tried my best.
Yeah.
I'm sure it is benefiting to all the dancers and to all my fellow artists. And their love, affection, respect, what they give me, it is always, and I am very humbled always. Before we start this evening performance, I would like you to please explain what you are going to perform today as the first item.
Okay. The first item that I will be performing is an Ashtapadi from Jayadeva's Gita Govind, Mamiyam. It talks about Krishna's feeling for Radha. Radha has seen Krishna surrounded by the gopis, and Radha is hurt, angry, and Radha goes away. And Krishna is fearful. He tries to stop her, but he doesn't, because he knows that he's made a mistake. So she's not present in front of him. He just says to her, "Give me one glimpse of you, and I beg forgiveness of you." The choreography is, of course,
By
Guruji's,
Guruji.
Kelucharan Mahapatra, and the music composition is Raghubhaina, that is Pandit Raghunath Panigrahi.
All the viewers who are watching this episode of Anuvartanam, thank you very much for your love, affection and encouragement since last 1.5 years, for which Anuvartanam has achieved a milestone in its career. Thank you so much, and we are very proud, very happy to have Guru Srimati Jhalam Paranjapi ji with us for this 150th episode of Anuvartanam. Thank you.
मानियं चलिता विलोक्य द्रुतं बधू निचयेन मानियं चलिता विलोक्य द्रुतं वधू निचयेन सापराधतया मया पुनः वारिताति भयेन हरि हरि हतादरतया गता च कुपिते वा मामियं चलिता विलोक्य किं करिष्यति किं वदिष्यति सा चिरं विरहेण किं धनेन जनेन किं मम जीवितेन गृहेण हरि हरि हतादरतया गता सा कुपिते वा मामियं चलिता विलोक्य चिन्तयामि तदाननं कुटिल भृगोपभरेण शोणपद्म निवोपरि भ्रमता कुलं भ्रमरेण हरि हरि हतादरतया गता सा कुपिते वा मामियं चलिता विलोक्य क्षम्यतामपरं कदापि तवेदृशं न करोमि देहि सुन्दरि दर्शनं मम देहि सुन्दरि दर्शनं मम मन्मथेन दुरोमि हरि हरि हतादरतया हरि हरि हतादरतया गता सा कुपिते वा मामियं चलिता विलोक्य वर्णितं जयदेवकेन हरेर्दं रावणेन चन्दुविल्व समुद्रसम्भव रोहिणी रमणेन
That was a wonderful piece, Jalamappa. Thank you so much Guruji's choreography, there is nothing to say about it. And of course, I've been watching you since my childhood. If you remember, I have once said, Sing Ito Govindam, that portraying Krishna, I mean, if real Krishna would have come to the earth, you are much better than him. No, I still remember that performance of yours, I think in Chembur, Mumbai, somewhere we have performed.
Mumbai.
I was playing Jayadeva, you were
Yes,
playing Krishna, and
yeah.
Devi Uppa was playing Radha. It is always a great experience to watch you, and I'm very lucky, you know, to know a lizard like you personally. Anyway, so what will be your next item of presentation?
The next that I will perform is a choreography by Pankaj Charan Das. Pankaj sir, actually I did not learn it from him directly. I learned it from Banka Bhai and Bhaujo, that is Sharat Chandra Das and his wife. And after they taught it to me, I'm very thankful that Sharat Chandra Das thought of me. I think I'm the very first one outside his
Legacy.
that has learnt Pankaj sir's item. And after I learnt it, I remember talking to him that if I do not present it exactly the way it is, can I interpret it my way? And he was very graceful enough to let me put in my, whatever I thought for my style, for Guruji's style, or for the way Guruji thought. This is an episode of Draupadi Vastraharan, and well, about that I don't really need to say much, because everybody knows the
No,
story.
it's
but
very good. It's so kind of you and so good of you that you have chosen this piece to perform, and of course, we got an opportunity to dedicate this episode to the great Guru, Sri Pankaj Charan Das. Yes.
And you know, the different quality of this is that in this particular item, Draupadi questions her 5 husbands. That you 5, you are here and you let this happen to me? What are you all doing? So first she questions them, she curses them, and then finally she calls out to her Sakha, Krishna, who then helps her. Everybody knows the story.
Yeah. And of course, this is choreographed by
Choreography by
Pankaj sir.
Pankaj Charan Das and music by Harihar Panda.
যজ্ঞ শ্রেণী বিতিহোত্র সম্ভূতা পঞ্চপতি ভোগ্য দ্রুপদ দুহিত তেজস্বিনী সতী অধর্ম ধৌতা কৃষ্ণ প্রাণপ্রিয়া কৃষ্ণ ধ্রুপদে বিদিতা
तारी किडतक ताजेणु ता किडतक ताजेणु ता किडतक धा तारी किडतक ताजेणु ता किडतक ताजेणु ता किडतक धा तारी किडतक ताजेणु ता किडतक ताजेणु ता किडतक धा तारी किडतक ताजेणु ता किडतक ताजेणु ता किडतक धा ताजेणु झेणु ता झों किट्टा ताक तिनतिनकट 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 ता गधा धा गदिगिन धा ताजेणु झेणु ता झों किट्टा ताक तिनतिनकट 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 ता गधा धा गदिगिन धा धेग दिंदा ता गदिगिन धा धेग दिंदा ता गदिगिन धा धेग दिंदा ता गदिगिन धा
रखिबे कि न रखिबे पड़िछि विपदे
নিষ্ঠুরতা দেখি মহাসতী মনে মনে সুমরিলে প্রভু যদুপতি গোবিন্দଙ୍କ পাদে মন চৈতন্যকু দেই মন বিরসে বসিলে একলয়ে ধ্যাই
धाम धाम धा धा गति गिरिधा धाम धाम धा धा गति गिरिधा धाम धाम धा धा गति गिरिधा झोम किट तक तिन तेरे किट तक गति गिन ता झोम ता तिन तेरे किट तक गति गिन झोम किट तक तिन तेरे किट तक गति गिन ता झोम ता तिन तेरे किट तक गति गिन थिन तिना किट तक थिन तिना किट तक गति गिन थिन तिना किट तक थिन तिना किट तक गति गिन थिन तिना किट तक थिन तिना किट तक गति गिन थिन तिना किट तक थिन तिना किट तक गति गिन ता झोम किट तक झोम ता झोम किट तक झोम ता झोम किट तक झोम
शंभु स्वयं भूतम्बोळि धरा तुर धीर अम्बुनिधि अधिप सुधाकर भार भार वन्दित कनक कुनाद सर शिर अवनत कर कि भाव भक्ति कारण दाता दक्ष दक्ष लक्ष्य भेदे आरक्ष पक्ष प्रभेदे दक्ष दक्ष लक्ष्य भेदे आरक्ष पक्ष प्रभेदे रुक्ष ख्याणि दीपक्ष समखे ख्यात भारते कारण दाता हस्तिना सभाङ्गानि केश आकर्षित घानि विवस्त्राकरणे क्षिप्त दुर्मति दुस्साहस्ति कारण दाता
झणक झणु पुतकता ताथोम ताकिडते गति गिनधा झणक झणु पुतकता ताथोम ताकिडते गति गिनधा ताझेणा किटिताक झणा झेणु किटिताक ताझेणा किटिताक झणा झेणु किटिताक ताझेणा ता किटितक धा ताझेणा ता किटितक धा ताझेणा ता किटितक झणा झेणु किटितक झणा झेणु किटितक झणा झेणु किटितक ताझेणा ता किटितक धा ताझेणा ता किटितक धा ताझेणा ता किटितक झणा झेणु किटितक झणा झेणु किटितक झणा झेणु किटितक ताझेणा ता किटितक धा ताझेणा ता किटितक धा ताझेणा ता किटितक
here yet again, this is another dimension of looking to Draupadi. Since many years, many dancers, they have given their definition and given their point of view to this particular character, and it is again wonderful to have this what you presented, that point of view looking into Draupadi. That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jalamappa. And please explain that experimental piece you are talking.
Yes.
Choka Mela.
Choka Mela.
Right.
Yes. This is something that I have choreographed, and the music is by Manoj Desai. This is about a Marathi saint poet, a saint poet from Maharashtra. Like we have Salabeg here, we have many more saint poets in Maharashtra. Now this particular person that I have chosen, he was a Dalit. A Dalit is of a very, very low caste, and hence he is not allowed into the temple. But he begs of all the Brahmins that I will stay here and I will clean the premise, let me be here. So they allow him. But he sings beautifully, composes his own pieces. They are called abhang in Marathi. And people flock around him. That again annoys the Brahmins. They beat him up and throw him into the river to die. But he does not die. He goes to the other side. The Lord calls him. He swims across. The Lord's door is open, the temple door is open, and the Lord and Choka embrace each other. That's the brief thing about the item. But I would like to tell you why I did it. And if you see in this item, I have not worn any jewelry because I wanted to depict Choka Mela. Then of course the belt is there because I'm doing Odissi. The dance is completely Odissi. Those certain movements could be different. And I haven't worn the headgear, jewelry. But why did I do this? Because I feel it's a very necessary item for us in India today. One picks up the newspaper and reads, because of different castes, because of different religions, people are killing each other, which is not a very nice thing. And through this piece also I like to say that when the Lord himself can accept a Dalit person into his arms, why are we humans hating each other? That's all. Actually, I had read a book, the biography of this saint poet, and that inspired me to do this. From that book, then I read a lot of abhangs and I chose those different abhangs.
No, when you spoke about it, I thought it will be appropriate because I have seen a little bit of your performance demonstration through the last webinar what we have done a few months ago. You were there. So I thought it will be appropriate. And this is an experimental piece, though it has different kind of movements, emotion, but it is definitely based on Odissi idiom. So I think it is an appropriate piece to connect the soul of the dancer to the soul of the audience, because I have seen this item earlier. I'm sure all the viewers who will be watching this item Choka Mela will be a wonderful experience for all of them. So we present Choka Mela by Srimati Jairam Paranjpe.
उष्ट्यासाठी आणली तुमच्या उष्ट्यासाठी आणली तुमच्या उष्ट्यासाठी आणली जोहार माय बाप जोहार जोहार माय बाप जोहार तुमच्या महाराचा मी महार तुमच्या महाराचा मी महार तुमच्या महाराचा मी महार तुमच्या महाराचा मी महार जोहार माय बाप जोहार जोहार माय बाप जोहार जोहार माय बाप जोहार माय बाप जोहार अबीर गुलाल अबीर गुलाल अबीर गुलाल उधळीत रंग 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 अबीर गुलाल उधळीत रंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग उंबरठ्यासी कैसे शिव आम्ही जातीहीन उंबरठ्यासी कैसे शिव आम्ही जातीहीन रूप तुझे कैसे पाहू त्यात आम्ही दीन पायरीशी हो दंग पायरीशी हो दंग गाऊनी अभंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग वाळवंटी गाव आम्ही वाळवंटी नाचू वाळवंटी गाव आम्ही वाळवंटी नाचू चंद्रभागेच्या पाण्याने चंद्रभागेच्या पाण्याने अंग अंग न्हाऊ विठ्ठलाचे नाम घेऊ विठ्ठलाचे नाम घेऊ होऊन निसंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग आषाढी कार्तिकी आषाढी कार्तिकी भक्तगण येती आषाढी कार्तिकी भक्तगण येती पंढरीच्या वाळवंटी पंढरीच्या वाळवंटी भक्त गोळा होती चोखा म्हणे नाम घेता चोखा म्हणे नाम घेता भक्त होती दंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग नाथा घरी नाचे माझा नाथा घरी नाचे माझा नाथा घरी नाचे माझा सखा पांडुरंग चोख्या ए चोख्या 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 चोखट चांग एक माझा पांडुरंग चोखट चांग एक माझा पांडुरंग महाद्वारी चोखा मेळा विठ्ठल पाहतसे डोळा चोखट चांग एक माझा पांडुरंग सुंदर मुख कमल कस्तुरी मळवटी सुंदर मुख कमल कस्तुरी मळवटी मकराकार कुंडले श्रवणी ढाळ देती शंख चक्र गदा पद्म चहुकरी गळा वैजयंती माळा चंदनाची उटी कर दोन्ही कटी उभा असे विटेवारी कर दोन्ही कटी उभा असे विटेवारी तो हा पांडुरंग जाणा शांती रुक्मिणी निजांगना तो हा पांडुरंग जाणा शांती रुक्मिणी निजांगना ऐसा विठ्ठल हृदय ध्याई चोखा मेळा जडला पायी रूप हे सावळे गोड ते गोजिरे रूप हे सावळे गोड ते गोजिरे कासे सोनसळा नेसला पिवळा रूप हे सावळे गोड ते गोजिरे कासे सोनसळा नेसला पिवळा गरुड वाहन हरि देखी येला तेज हे फाकती दश दिशा चोखा म्हणे माझा जीवीचा जीवन प्रेमे आलिंगिले चोखियाने विठ्ठल
Thank you, Chalamappa, for all your presentations. It is wonderful, as usual, no words. And I would like you to give a message to all our dancers who are in the process of making their career as professional dancers.
When you're making a career, initially you will have setbacks, but don't be depressed by that. You keep going, and when you focus and you keep going, the world around helps you go ahead. So just do that. Be focused, be happy with your dance, be passionate about your dance, and you'll make it. Thank you.